Hey guys, I'm Tessa. My Instagram handle is the name's Tessa, where I post a lot about coffee, food, and travel. I'm partnering with Loacker to compete in their coffee art or latte art challenge. So a lot of the times I like having something sweet with my coffee, and Loacker is a great choice, especially the wafers that have hazelnut, because I love having something nutty to go with the coffee, especially if it has like a very dark and robust flavor. So one of the reasons I love coffee, besides its amazing taste, is that for me it means that I'm taking a break. If it's meeting with friends and just chatting and catching up over coffee, or if it's me, going about my day and stop in and take a moment to grab something to go. So now it's time for the coffee art. I've decided to do a design of a sunset because I really love sunsets. I love going onto my roof almost every night if I can, and just taking photos of the sun. It's always a different color, it's always something new. So the foam is the sun. And now I'm going to make beautiful rays. So now that you guys have seen me make my beautiful sunset, I would really appreciate your guys' vote. It'll help me move on, hopefully, to the next round at the New York City Wine and Food Festival, where I will be competing for the grand prize at the Loacker Lodge. And everyone who votes gets a chance to win a Loacker box filled with a bunch of their amazing products.